Hi everyone, so we left off doing one example of empirical formula and molecular formula. We'll just do one more to really emphasize, to just get the concept clear, get the concept very clearly in our heads. So water, what is the molecular formula? It would be H2O. And what would be the empirical formula? It would be H2O again, because that is as simple as it can get. It cannot get any simpler than this, because you have two hydrogen atoms, so the ratio is 2:1, right? So that is what the empirical formula reflects, the ratio of atoms, the simplest ratio of atoms. Okay, maybe I'll just put it down here. So empirical formula is the simplest ratio of atoms in a molecule or a compound or whatever. Okay, I don't know why my dots don't show up. See? Anyways, so that is it. You can try and do more examples for empirical formulas and molecular formula, but this is more than enough, I think. Okay, so the next thing I want to discuss is Avogadro's number. And let me use a different color for this. How about purple? Avogadro's number. Okay, so back in the days, they discovered, or they found out, that it wasn't possible to just take one or two atoms and do experiments with those one or two or three or four atoms, and that is because atoms are so small. They're really tiny, and it's just impossible to like just take one or two atoms, or even take 10 or 15 atoms separately out of a molecule and do experiments with them. So I don't know how this part of the story works, but this is what they did. So they took 12 grams of carbon-12, which is an isotope of carbon. So the same chemical, grade 10 chemistry, same chemical formula, but different molecular weights, and that's because number of neutrons is different. Okay, so they took 12 grams of carbon-12, and I don't know how they managed to do this, but they figured out, or they probably set it as a standard or something, I don't know. They said that there is 6.023 times 10 to the 23 atoms in this mass of 12 grams of carbon. This number was referred to as the Avogadro's number. Okay, and then we have concepts of atomic mass unit, which is also referred to as the gram atomic weight, and this is mostly in the US. And then you have the molecular weight, or the gram molecular weight. And I will go over these concepts and some examples in the next videos. See you guys there, and sorry about the 5-minute thingy. That's the maximum they let me do, so I can't go over that for these videos. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.